Hello everyone! Today I'll talk about the solution to the problem circular sentence. An easy problem whose statement is much longer than the solution, as you can see. Because the problem essentially asks us to implement the following procedure. We have to split the sentence into separate words. In Python we can just use the split method of every string, because our sentence is a string, and we'll get a list of individual words. And now we have to make sure that the end of every word is the same as the beginning of the next word, and all that wrapping around back to the beginning when we reach the end. So we want to, between ith and I minus first word in the sentence, check the first character of one of those words, so the later word, with the last character of the previous word. To get the last character, we can use negative indexing. So we can write -1 and that will give us the last character, no matter what the length is of our particular word. And now we have to do that, of course, for every position in our list of words. And how do we achieve the wraparound so that the last and first words are also connected? Well, again, since we can use negative indexing, when I is 0 at the beginning, so we have a 0 here, then of course I minus 1 becomes -1, but that's precisely the last word in our sentence, so exactly what we want to check. So we can use split, which is given to us in Python, we can use negative indexing in both of those positions, and get a pretty easy solution. Oh yeah, and the last thing, of course, is that we want all of those facts to be true, which we can check by just using all, which is essentially a logical AND over multiple operands, not just two, but any iterable. So here we have a generator expression to put it in a single line.